Article 200.7 of the National Electrical Code specifies the acceptable uses for white or grey insulated conductors. It explicitly states that conductors with white or grey insulation shall not be used for circuit conductors other than grounded conductors or the neutral conductor of a grounded system. This provision has direct implications for how three-way switches are wired, particularly when using 40-3 cable in residential electrical installations. To fully grasp the implications, it's essential to understand the composition of a typical 40-3 cable. In standard residential wiring, a 40-3 cable typically contains a black wire, a red wire, a white wire, and a green or bare wire. The black and red wires are designated as hot wires, carrying the ungrounded current. The white wire is intended to serve as the neutral conductor, providing a return path for the current to the source, while the green or bare wire functions as the equipment grounding conductor, ensuring a safe path for fault currents. The prohibition against using the white wire as a traveler wire in three-way switch circuits stems directly from Article 200.7d2. A traveler wire is a conductor that carries the electrical signal between two three-way switches, allowing the control of a light or other electrical device from multiple locations. Because the traveler wire is not a grounded or neutral conductor, using a white wire for this purpose would violate the NEC regulation. The NEC aims to maintain consistent color coding standards throughout electrical systems for safety and ease of identification. By reserving the white wire exclusively for neutral conductors, electricians and other qualified personnel can quickly and accurately identify the function of each wire within a circuit. This standardization reduces the risk of electrical shock, short circuits, and other hazards. Violating this rule by using the white wire as a traveler can create confusion and increase the likelihood of errors during maintenance or troubleshooting. For example, if someone assumes the white wire is always a neutral conductor, they might inadvertently come into contact with a live circuit if it's been repurposed as a traveler. There are acceptable methods for wiring three-way switches that comply with the NEC while achieving the desired functionality. Firstly, one can use a different color wire, such as black or red, for the traveler wires and properly mark the white wire at both ends with color tape or paint to indicate its use as a hot conductor. This ensures that anyone working on the circuit in the future is aware that the white wire is not a neutral conductor. Secondly, consider redesignating the white wire by wrapping both ends with colored electrical tape, other than white, gray, or green. Black is the usual color, but other colors such as blue can be used to identify that the white wire is being used as an ungrounded or hot conductor. It is important to ensure this redesignation is visible and obvious. Thirdly, ensure that all connections are made within approved electrical boxes and that all wiring is properly secured and protected. This minimizes the risk of accidental damage to the conductors, which could lead to electrical hazards. Fourthly, always double-check the wiring configuration and use a multimeter or other testing device to verify that the circuit is functioning as intended and that there are no unexpected voltage readings. This helps to identify any errors or potential problems before the circuit is energized. Fifthly, it is advisable to consult with a qualified electrician or electrical inspector to ensure that the wiring complies with all applicable codes and regulations. They can provide expert guidance and identify any potential issues that might not be apparent to someone with less experience. Sixthly, properly document the wiring configuration and any modifications made to the circuit. This documentation can be invaluable for future troubleshooting and maintenance. Seventhly, ensure that all electrical work is performed by qualified personnel who have the necessary training and experience to safely and effectively install and maintain electrical systems. Attempting to perform electrical work without the proper knowledge and skills can be dangerous and could result in serious injury or property damage. Eighthly, the NEC is a comprehensive set of standards that covers virtually every aspect of electrical installations, and compliance is essential for ensuring the safety and reliability of electrical systems. By adhering to these standards and best practices, electricians and homeowners can minimize the risk of electrical hazards and create a safe and functional electrical environment.